Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to link Spotify to Bumble. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bumble application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you need to click on Profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, click on your profile. You can see Edit Profile option there. Click on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, under Connected Accounts, you can see Connect My Spotify option. Click on it. And if you have already installed Spotify, you can see the prompt like this. And you need to click on Open button. Otherwise, you will be logged in via Safari browser. Click on Open. Now, you need to click on Agree button here to authorize the Spotify in your Bumble account. As you can see that your Spotify has been connected. So that is how you can link Spotify to Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.